I never ever tried this in snow before. Where's the on-off button here? It is charged. There's no... What does that mean? Just turned off again? Yeah. So I never used this before on ice. I don't know if this is going to be good or not. This is maybe crazy to do this. And I don't want to get wet feet. Look, when I go around here and there is snow, that's not a good idea because I'm 100% sure it will slip there. I'm not in the mood to fall. And here, this way, to go uphill, but I can go down the sidewalk all the way that way. I mean, it's 28 degrees. Oh, here's ice. That worked. Ice patches. I don't know. My elbow still hurts from the last fall and bump. Whoa. Ice patches are not good, I think. Salt on the road. Jesus Christ. Man. My right eye is watering from the cold. So I don't know how much grip those tires have. The tires you need to look at. So if you look at my tires here, those tires are flat. There's no thread or anything. I don't think that's good on snow and ice when I drive on this kind of stuff. Let's see if we make it back. I'm gonna pull this out all the way and then do this.